The 33rd participant in the Silva challenge is Paul from Diecast Graveyard. I'm sure you're all very familiar with Paul, Uncle Paulie, and it's going to be fun seeing what he does with this challenge. So, knowing Paul, and as you know, a lot of Paul does wonderful redline restorations, among the other things he does. So, evil person that I am, I'm going to include some redlines in here. Only these aren't restorable. These, I'm anxious to see if he uses these in a Gaslands build. This is obviously, I believe it's the Porsche. Yeah. I believe so. Yeah. There's the old Porsche. This actually was one of my favorite castings as a kid. Although you probably, some of you recognize it. It's an old paddy wagon. I loved the paddy wagon as a kid. Fortunately, I have some that are in a lot better shape than that. But I have to throw 2 red lines in there just to mess with Paul. And to make up for it, I'm going to throw the Tri-5 gasser in there because Paul can always use a gasser. And what's a challenge without a combi? I got to throw a combi at him as well. What the heck? So those are ones I picked out ahead of time, intentionally to include these before we hit the tub. And then those of you who know Paul know by profession he makes bombs not go boom. And I had this 3D printed bomb sitting around for a while that I want to throw in here too. Lord knows how you would work that into a build, but hey, that's his problem. That's not my problem. If he uses it. But anyhow, now let's go through the tub. And you know, I do like putting construction vehicles in these. This is a Matchbox tractor shovel, so that could be kind of cool. Might even fit in there well. I like to put flying things in these. This looks like it should fold, but apparently it doesn't. Police helicopter Hot Wheels. Yeah, the blades obviously aren't right on that. Have to include at least one flying thing in there. No, I'm not going to throw the Tonka in there. Yeah, here's an old dragster. An old Hot Wheels dragster. That's kind of cool. Let's get that in there. Yeah, I think I'm learning after 32 of these previously how to put things in the box to make them fit. This is a Matchbox dump truck that seems to be missing the dump part, but you make something out of that. That's kind of cool. Hot Wheels Cabin, C-A-B-B-I-N, Fever. Huh. Okay. The Carbonator. Yeah, the Carbonator, it seems like on the Carbonator, and I've put a few of these in challenges before, and people have done interesting things with them. But it seems to me that engine would be a natural thing to pop out of there. I haven't taken one apart myself, so I'm assuming it pops out of there. It should somehow. It'd be interesting to take that out of there and use it in something. Oh, Lord, so many things to choose from. Matchbox hovercraft. Didn't I just put a Matchbox hovercraft in something? Seems like I did. It really seems like I did. That seems very familiar to me. Oh, that's kind of cool. Bone Shaker knockoff. Maisto Knuckle Dragger. That's perfect for Diecast Graveyard. Huh. Okay. What else we got here? Shark. I'm not going to give you a shark, Paul. I won't do that to you. Oh, that's kind of cool wheels on it. That's an old Hot Wheels. Might be able to use that. Make something, if you had a post-apocalyptic route, might maybe make something post-apocalyptic with that. Gotta throw a tow truck in there. Lord knows I've got a bunch of these old black wall tow trucks. They seem like a natural if you go a post-apocalyptic direction, but don't think I'm pointing you in that direction, because you can always go, it's a sci-fi build, so you can always go like a space direction, or Andrew just did a steampunk build on his channel. Steampunk would fit for the challenge sci-fi requirement. Yeesh. Yeesh. Hot Wheels quad rod. Yeah. Congratulations, Paul. You're getting a quad rod. It's a Mitsubishi down here. For McDonald's. Eh. We've got room for one more thing right there. Ah, sure. 41 Willies. Racing champions. You might choose to use this for something else other than this build. I think that'll fit in there. I think we're almost there. Yeah, that's a tight little box. Yeah, let's move these out of the way. Get some 3D stuff to throw in here. I already set aside a couple engines I want to throw in here. I hope they survive the trip. Those are a little fragile, but who knows? A couple little packs of stuff. Some wheels that I had laying around. Oh, what I have over here. I recently printed more. Rather than take them out of over here, these were from a most recent batch printed, so okay, there's guns and wheels. That's one way to do it. Throw some smaller guns in here. And some rockets. Oh, can't forget skulls. I really need to print more skulls. That's going to be the thing that motivates me into firing up the printer again soon. Tanks. Oil things. Oil dumper kind of things. Some exhausts. Assorted metal. Oh, and RAM bars, that kind of thing. I think, yeah, I think we're good. So that's what I'm sending to you, Paul. The main thing about the challenge, have fun with it. Thanks everybody for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. And I'm looking forward to seeing what you do with this, Paul. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.